Hello everyone, welcome to IV. Today I'm going to show you a lot of things that contain actually from volatility to cash, anything that contains the whole of volatility, such as volatility 10, 100, 25, 50, 25, step index, and the rest. The main reason I'm gonna post today, what we're gonna talk about is how to trade on the whole entire broker. It's just very simple and easy, depending on how you understand the market and the language of the broker you're trading on. When it comes to volatility, they mean volatile. All about the trade is supposed to be carried on in volatile. If you understood the volatile ways, you understood how it works, such as this volatile from this angle to this angle, from this angle to this angle, out to the downflow. It's just as easy as that. And let's forget about the profit I've been making here since. So I'm just going to talk about the volatile and the rest. So the same goes to when they talk to volatility 75, 10, 50, and the rest. You could be asking me like what you saw on my previous videos, the moving average I've been using and such. I've been using that to present to help me calculate the trending line very easy without me going a lot of stretch dragging the trending line. But most of the times I do draw the trending line on my own. And for those who doesn't understand trending line, I mean trending line such as this, just something that comes up like this. It's called the trending line. This now is called the trending line. It touches there, it goes down back, it touches there, it goes down back, touches there, it goes down, touches another one, it goes down, touches again, it goes down, such and such and so. So that is what we call trending line for those who doesn't understand the main thing about the trending line. So I'm going to talk about some moving average that accumulate in forex, and if definitely you want to understand how the whole thing works, follow me on my Telegram, email me, I'll get back to you as soon as possible, or you can also join my group on my Telegram to see how things works. On the Telegram, I'm gonna post a channel that link to the class on full training on how everything works. The training doesn't cost anything at all. Just go to the group, you will see everything so easy and full. You can follow up all the training class. It doesn't cost you anything to learn than for you to be gambling your money along the way. So if you ask me the main reason I enter sell here, when it clicks to higher time frame, you can see this is a double tap from this position, and if I have to place my indicators, my moving average from that position, let's check what the moving average says. As if it's at red, because it's danger. Let me just put it like this. As you can see, from here it slide up down to this position and end up here. So if I have to put the full moving average indicators, let's go and see what's up. So I'm gonna click this and put the main boss. I use a lot of moving average though. If you don't get and grab the way I do, you I will show you the whole thing when you follow up my Telegram channel and my class. You will see the whole thing, why, how to set up moving average appropriately, the calculation and everything. Mind you, it works perfectly fine. It works perfectly fine. So immediately under 4 hour, it was on a casual here. Then under 30 minutes, if you check very well, you see from this position it runs there, it crosses down the red. I allow you to first have a breakthrough, then it has a double tap here, went back up and crosses over it again. So when immediately I saw the double tap here and the hammer in this position, then I have to place sell, because in 1 hour in that same position it shows a strong resistance in the previous charts in here. Let's go and see something here. So here shows a strong resistance in this position. Just as simple as that. When it goes there, it breaks down, it went back up in that position. I have to enter sell, because definitely it will go down. It's still going down up to now. So that's when you see I'm making profit on that the same volatile 10 in that position. Very simple as that. Very simple as that. So if you want to understand how it works, you got to follow up and know how to trade on it. So let me show you another. Let me show you another volatility. You see the reason I placed buy from this position. The resistance here is strong on 4 hour. So I've been placing, when it fall down here back, I place buy. There's a double tap from that position. It's a double tap, and there's another resistance in this place. So definitely when it goes there, I call the trade. I wait for it to go down here, I place another buy. I'll write it down from here. There's a support level in that position. That's why I place this as support level. A support level in that position. So if you really want to enjoy and know how I do my trades and my profit, follow me up on my Telegram. I'm gonna paste my Telegram channel there. Follow me up my Telegram channel and email me. If not Telegram, then follow. I'll show you the way to follow up to start earning money. It's just as easy as it is. There's no hard feelings attached. So thank you and God bless. I'm out.